All right, this is Jose Covarrubias for CIT 336 Enhancement 4. And let's start with the requirements. It requires for us to download a no picture image and put it on the image file folder, which I have it right here. It requires us to do a products folder, which I have here, and to create a controller, which I have here as well. This is our products controller. It requires to create a navigation list, which we've done for the accounts controller and the Acme controller or module as well. It also requires to create a category list for the drop-down menu, which I have right here. It requires to capture the name value pairs, and then to have it display on the page, which I have here. Excellent. And create a products model file, which contains a couple formula functions to call the database and insert information that will be added by the user on the products or the categories view. The products view has the two triggers that called the controller with the action value per key as well. It has the category view file and the add product file, and they look like this. So the new category is like this, and so I have added. I just added corn. I can add, let's say, beans. I would add it to the functions. It shows up in here, and also in my database and my categories. There you go. You can see how many tries I have. The new product as well shows up in here. And if I was to add something to, let's say, to the miscellaneous, in this case is our number 3. So if I was to do chilies, spice, no image, thumbnail, no image, the price, let's say 2, stock, there's 9 of them, the only weight's 1, just size 2, the location is in Phoenix abbreviated, and the category ID is number 3, vendor is me, and the style is red. I will add that, and congratulations, I added chili, and it was successfully added. And if I go back to my inventory, I can see that that was the case. So chili, spice, blah, 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 blah. All the data was submitted along with the categories. My CSS, my CSS and HTML pass. Oh, probably not that one. Probably I forgot something. I believe it's a comment that it was hanging in there. Anyways, so if I go back to my product file or product view, it's pass. My new category as well passes the HTML. Good. Back to new product. HTML passes good. So it's just after I submit the that is hanging in there. So it pretty much covers everything. I have the controller, the model, and the views required for these. Both of the views taking data and passing it into the database and working properly. I believe that covers this assignment.